important to know about the proper timing to pick peppers. Peppers are very strongly attached to the plant, and if you just try to pull the pepper off, you're going to break the branches. So I use pruning shears. Pruning shears, scissors, or a good sharp knife, if you're very careful, will do a really good job. Okay, I'm going to pull there's one on this plant that is clearly ready to be harvested. We have a red one down here. The sweetest bell peppers are red. The green bell peppers are the least sweet bell peppers. They're all good, depending on how you like bell peppers. I'll leave a little bit of stem on that one. This pepper is ready, it's sweet, still has a little bit of green left. I could have left it another day or two and I would be okay. So this is the sweetest pepper on this plant. Moving on down, these are beginning to turn a little bit yellow. I'm going to come on down, and it's reached full size. It's not completely red, but it's next sweetest. Peppers are like tomatoes. If you have a cold weather coming, a frost coming, I would pick all of the big peppers off of this plant because they will continue to ripen inside. They won't be quite as good as if they ripen on the plant, or sweeter if it's ripened on the vine, but it's still a really good product.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.